stuck in front of her.
So even though there's a lot of people from the Midwest out here, they think they could drive in inclement weather because they've done it before in snowdrifts and slush and everything. But the hills here are a whole nother story. Everybody's going around like billiard balls trying to get up and down the hills. Already had 2 accidents here this morning, so just trying to keep everybody safe.
You know an alternate route?
Listen, Grandma. So I left my house to walk to work, and on the way ran into.
They've been stuck here. They've been staying here.
Oh, they're staying there?
Well, they have been for a while.
The U.S. probably doesn't think of Seattle as a hilly place, but I mean, it just really is. We're just like the city is down at the bottom of the hill, and like all the districts are up on hills. So, you know, the second it snows, you know, it's just a nightmare. Well, there's a wreck up there, as you can see, and I don't know, it's just snowpocalypse. Nobody's out there. I went to Costco this morning, the parking lot was completely empty, and it was awesome.